Hello, my name is Lillian Okibe. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved these juicy cornrows. So if you'd like to see that, then please keep on watching. So I'm starting on damp hair. I like to do my cornrows on damp or wet hair. So for those of you wondering, this is my resulting twist out from my last video. It actually came out nice, but it rained on me, so it got my hair wet again. So that's why I just decided to just put my hair in a protective style instead of like rocking the twist out, because of course the rain already like destroyed everything. And also I noticed that my hair started to flake. I've used the combination of the leave-in and the gel before, but I think I did not succeed in rinsing out all the herbs from my hair from my last wash day. So it just, my hair started having like brownish flakes, so I think I did not rinse that out. That's one of the reasons why I just wanted to put it in a protective style, because I did not feel like washing my hair. So I first started by parting my hair. Like I said, I like to do my cornrows on wet or damp hair just because it's easier to manipulate my hair in that state as opposed to doing it on dry hair. Now if you do it on dry hair, you're going to get more volume and more stretch. So if you don't mind the more work you have to put into your hair to like part your hair when it's dry, then you can do it on dry hair. I used to do it on dry hair actually, but now I just prefer to do it on damp or wet hair. So the first thing you want to do is bring out a small section of hair in front, and then you divide that section into 3 equal parts, and then you start to braid your hair like regular braids. But as you braid, you're picking hair from the rest of the hair at the back. I hope that makes sense. I feel like this is like very easy. Like this is an easy tutorial if you're a beginner. Like if you do not know how to cornrow, then just watch it closely. So it's basically braiding, but instead of regular braids, you're braiding one by one. Like you're braiding, but as you're braiding your hair, you're picking some hair from the rest of the hair. Now notice like how I grip my hair as I'm making the cornrows. Like I'm not holding it really tight. I'm still like giving some room. I don't know if that makes sense. So that would just help to increase the volume of the cornrow as opposed to making it tight, and also that will help to reduce headache because I don't like wearing my styles tight, because I really don't like having any form of tension on my hair. So I like to make them as loose as possible, so you guys can see what it looks like. And then when you get to the end of the whole cornrow, you just go ahead and braid your hair all the way down. And as I'm braiding my hair, I'm also braiding it like relatively loose, not very loose as like how I make my temporary locks, but like not so tight as many people like to do there. When I get to the end of the braid of the cornrow, I just apply some shea butter on it and twirl it around my finger. So let's do this one more time. So the first thing you want to do is part your hair, bring out the section of hair you want to cornrow. Then you take out a little portion of hair in front, divide that section of hair into 3 equal parts, and then you start to braid. But as you're braiding, instead of like how you do regular braids, this time around as you're braiding, you're picking some hair from the back. So you pick some hair from the back, braid once, pick another hair, braid again, pick another hair, braid again. That's basically the technique behind making cornrows. Now if you guys look closely, you notice that the pattern of the cornrows are not very clear as many people do theirs. That's actually intentional. If I wanted to, I can make the pattern clear, but on this particular day I wanted to go for like the fuzzy confusing kind of cornrow where you don't really, like, from a little distance you can't really tell whether it's cornrow or flat twist. So how I was able to achieve that was that, like, instead of like as I'm braiding, normally if I want the pattern to be really clear, as I'm braiding I go ahead and like really smooth each section of the cornrow, or like each section of the braid. Like for the 3 sections, I smooth each section before I continue to braid, or in this case cornrow. But for this particular on this particular day, because I wanted it to be like really fuzzy and like really confusing, I did not smooth it as much. So normally I would smooth the hair, like really detangle, to put like the hair somewhat straight before I go ahead and braid. I hope I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say basically. But this was the look I was going for, and that's why you can see that I achieved like the fuzzy texture, so you can't really tell whether it's a cornrow or a flat twist, you know, and that was kind of like the vibe I was going for. But you don't have to do this. So when I'm done doing a few of the cornrows, I go ahead and band the ends of the cornrows, like the parts that was braided. I go ahead and band it. This just helped to buy me a little bit of length. It doesn't do too much, like you're not going to see like a major stretch. Actually that's not the look I was going for. You don't want to band all the way to the end. Actually, you just want to band and just leave some hair at the end, just because you still want to maintain like the volume and thickness of the braid all the way down to the end. So you don't want to band all the way to the end, and also you're not going to get so much stretch. Because like for me, I only band until I'm done doing all my hair, so I don't leave the bands in for long. The longer I leave the bands in, the more stretch I'm going to get. But I really do not put too much energy into stretching, because I feel like right now in Nigeria the atmosphere is very, very humid. So even if you stretch your hair, as soon as you step outside, like it's going to shrink back up. And also I just feel like fighting shrinkage is an already defeated battle, so I don't put too much energy into fighting it. So I just like I rock it the way it is, like that. So yeah, this is what my hair looks like after doing everything. You can see how voluminous it is. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video.